Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm John, and this is Lara. Before we start today's episode, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Yes, even with your friends who never watch videos.
Hi guys, hi everyone, I'm Lara and I'm very happy to be here today. Remember, this channel is all about learning English through real daily conversations. We don't do boring lessons, just fun, natural English you can use in your life. And yes, please like, subscribe, and share. Sharing makes us super happy.
Exactly, and today's topic is something very important and interesting, feelings. Everyone has feelings, right?
Yes, happy, sad, angry, excited, nervous. Feelings are part of everyday life, and talking about feelings is a great way to practice English.
That's true. So, Laura, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling happy because we are recording this episode and I love talking with you. And I feel a little excited too. What about you, John?
I'm feeling good too. A little nervous because sometimes I forget what to say, but mostly happy.
Don't be nervous. You always do great. So let's start with the easy feelings. How do you feel when you wake up in the morning?
I usually feel sleepy first, and sometimes a little tired, but after coffee, I feel awake and ready for the day.
Coffee is very important. For me, I feel relaxed in the morning if I have time to stretch and listen to music. Otherwise, I feel a little stressed.
Yes, mornings can be tricky. And how do you feel when you eat your favorite food?
Oh, I feel very happy. Food can make me feel comforted and joyful. Pizza, chocolate, ice cream, amazing. What about you?
Same, and sometimes I feel guilty after eating too much chocolate. But happiness first, guilt later.
That is true for many people. Food is a very strong feeling trigger. And speaking of feelings, how do you feel when you meet new people?
I feel a little nervous at first, but also curious. Meeting new people can be exciting, and sometimes funny things happen, like when I forget their name.
Yes, I know that feeling. I also feel shy sometimes when meeting new people, but if the person is friendly, I feel comfortable and happy.
And what about feeling angry? When do you feel angry?
Oh, that is easy. I feel angry when someone is not polite, or when someone is rude, or when I lose something important. What about you?
Yes, I also get angry sometimes, but I try to stay calm. I feel angry when people are unfair or when someone interrupts me too much.
Yes, patience is important. But anger is normal. Everyone feels angry sometimes.
True. And how about feeling sad? When do you feel sad?
I feel sad when I miss someone I love, or when something bad happens. Sometimes I feel sad when I watch movies or read books. Sadness can be very strong.
Yes, I feel the same. Sometimes I feel sad when I lose something or when my plans don't work, but talking about it with friends helps me feel better.
Exactly. Talking about feelings is very important. You can feel better and understand yourself more. And laughing helps too.
Yes, laughing is one of the best feelings. When was the last time you laughed very hard?
Yesterday, I watched a funny video of cats doing silly things. I laughed a lot. And you?
I laughed a lot last week when my friend tried to cook and burned the pasta. It was a disaster, but so funny.
Cooking disasters are very funny. And sometimes small mistakes make us laugh. And that's a good feeling too.
Yes, joy is very important. And what about feeling nervous? When do you feel nervous?
I feel nervous when I have to speak in front of many people or when I take a test. But sometimes nervousness can make you more focused and ready.
True. I also feel nervous before exams or presentations, but after it is over, I feel relieved and happy.
That feeling of relief is wonderful. And what about feeling surprised? Do you like surprises?
Yes, I like good surprises. A small gift, a visit from a friend, unexpected good news. Surprises can make you feel very happy and excited.
Yes, I love surprises too. But sometimes surprises can be shocking or scary. For example, when someone jumps out and yells, "Boo!" Yes, scary surprises are different, but most surprises make life interesting. And what about feeling proud? When do you feel proud?
I feel proud when I finish a difficult task or when someone I care about succeeds. For example, when my students do well, I feel proud.
That's very nice. I feel proud too when I achieve a goal or help someone. Feeling proud is a very good feeling. It gives energy and confidence.
Yes, and what about feeling lonely? Do you feel lonely sometimes?
Yes, everyone feels lonely sometimes. I feel lonely when I'm far from my family or when I don't have friends around. But talking to someone or calling a friend can make me feel better.
True, loneliness is normal, and sometimes being alone is good too. It helps you think, rest, and understand your feelings.
Exactly. And what about feeling scared? When do you feel scared?
I feel scared when I watch horror movies or when something dangerous happens. But fear can also protect you. It helps you be careful.
Yes, fear is important sometimes. I also feel scared in dark places or before a big challenge. But after facing it, I feel brave and strong.
Very true. And what about feeling calm? How do you feel calm?
I feel calm when I listen to music or go for a walk or sit quietly with a cup of tea. Calmness is a very nice feeling.
Yes, calmness is very important for the mind and body. I also feel calm when I meditate, read a book, or spend time with nature.
And what about feeling excited? When do you feel excited?
I feel excited before a trip, or when I try something new, or when I see someone I love after a long time. Excitement is a very energetic feeling.
Yes, I feel excited before holidays, concerts, or meeting friends. Excitement is one of the best feelings. And talking about feelings, sometimes we feel many feelings at the same time. For example, happy and nervous, or sad and angry.
Yes, feelings can be complicated, but that is normal. It's part of life. And learning to understand feelings is very important.
Exactly. And using words to describe feelings helps you communicate with others. For example, saying, I feel sad or I feel excited makes your friends understand you.
Yes, talking about feelings is very healthy. It helps you feel better, solve problems, and connect with people.
And laughing together is also a great feeling. Do you like to share jokes with friends?
Yes, I love jokes. Making people laugh is a very good feeling, and listening to jokes too. Humor is very important in life.
True. Humor can change your mood very fast, from sad to happy in seconds.
And what about feeling grateful? When do you feel grateful?
I feel grateful for my family, my friends, good health, and all the small things in life. Gratitude is a wonderful feeling.
Yes, I also feel grateful for my job, my home, and nice moments every day. Feeling grateful helps you feel happy and peaceful.
And finally, John, do you think feelings are important?
Very important. Feelings are part of being human. They help us understand ourselves, connect with others, and live life fully.
Yes, and learning the words to describe your feelings is also important. That way, you can communicate and be understood.
So, everyone listening, we hope you learned some English words for feelings, and also how to talk about your feelings naturally.
And don't forget, your feelings are important. Happy, sad, angry, scared, all feelings are okay. Accept them and share them with someone you trust. Thank you for listening today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And write in the comments how you feel today. We want to know.
Yes, we love reading your comments. Tell us your feelings, funny stories, or anything interesting. We read all messages.
And remember, learning English through real conversations like this is fun, easy, and very useful.
Everyday English, real English, fun English.
So smile, enjoy your feelings, and have a wonderful day.
Yes, and see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.